Welcome back to another Sandwich Saturday. We're going to do a lovely toasty today. We're going to do sausage with some English mustard, really nice and hot, obviously with some cheese. So I've got 4 sausages there. As you can see, I've just cut them down the middle, opened them out. I'm using a nice Cumberland sausage. You could be using something different if you wanted. 4 slices of cheddar, and like I say, some lovely English mustard, which is dynamite. 4 slices of bread and a sandwich maker or a press grill. Let's go and do it. Okay, so as always on a Sandwich Saturday, you can see we've got 4 slices of bread to make 2 sandwiches, lightly buttered, but they're the outside. So let's flip these over. They're the outside, so the butter's going to give it a really nice kind of toastiness. What we're going to do, we're going to grab 1 piece of cheese. We're going to grab 1 piece of cheese. We're now going to get the wonderful Coleman's mustard from England, super spicy, I love it. We're going to get it on there. And like I say, this is fire, this stuff. But a really beautiful, beautiful flavour. Now you can adjust this is quite a lot. This is going to take your breath away. But great. Get those sausages. Like I say, I've just split them open, you know, cut them down the middle. Now, I'm using, like I say, this Cumberland sausage. You could be using any other type of sausage if you want. You know, just find a sausage that you like, get them cooked, and get it ready. 1 more slice of cheese on the top, so we've kind of sandwiched it in. 1 more there. Then we're going to flip the bread. Remember, butter side facing up. Butter side facing up. Then we're going to go to the grill. Now I like to have my grill on full blast to maximum heat. Let's go and put them in. Okay, now I've got a kind of flat press griddle type, like a George Foreman thing. It's actually a Black & Decker. You could be using this actual sandwich maker, and all of them are different, but like I say, I like to get mine on high heat, the maximum heat. Let's drop those on. Wonderful. And then we're going to close it, and I'm going to let this go for my one for about 3 to 4 minutes. You know what we're looking for. See you in a minute. Okay, let's get in and have a look. Oh yeah, they look double good. Fantastic. Right, let's get them out onto the board. Cut them open. They're going to be super. They look amazing. Nice and toasty. That cheese was just starting to come out. Let's cut one of these open, shall we? Loads of lovely mustard in there. Oh, that's a beauty. That is going to be a beauty. Let's cut that other one open. And that's it. Another episode of Sandwich Saturday is complete. And we'll see you next time. Hope you enjoy that. I'm going to really love those. Lots of love. See you later.